So how to select all Gmail on your iPhone? You see, you don't able to select all email at once. You need to separate for each. But if you go your Safari web browser, then you can select all of them. So how I go to web browser? You need to know first. Go to your setting option, then find the Safari browser. Here it is. Go there, then request desktop website. Go there, and all website I make web as a web. Now if you want to log in with your Safari browser, then you can select all of your Gmail. You can delete, you can mark, unmark, read, unread, etc. It's very easy. Okay guys, hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and like my video. Thank you.